you all for KLBiologyNEET children. Today we are going to discuss blood platelets or thrombocytes. Before that, in last video we discussed children which WBC increased during allergic situation. Yes, it is eosinophilia. Eosinophil is the correct answer. Very good. Keep rocking. So today let us see blood platelets or thrombocytes. It is also formed in bone marrow only. And which cell forms the thrombocytes? A possible question. It is formed from megakaryocytes. Okay, megakaryocytes of bone marrow. Do they have nucleus? They do not have nucleus. They are non-nucleated cell fragments. And what is the count of this blood platelets? It may be 1,50,000 to 3,50,000. The lifespan is around 7 to 9 days is the lifespan. Are you clear, children? What is the main role of this blood platelets? They involve in blood clotting. As you know, blood clotting is an enzyme cascade process. There are 13 factors involved in blood clotting. So out of the 13 factors, the two important factors are discussed in NCERT. So what is that step? First one, we are converting prothrombin into thrombin. Okay, prothrombin is converted into thrombin by means of thromboplastin or prothrombinase. Then we are converting soluble fibrinogen into insoluble fibrin, which is a blood clot, a jelly-like matter of the blood is formed because of this thrombin. And to synthesize prothrombin, we need vitamin K. And of course, calcium ions plays a major role in blood clotting. This is all possible question, children. Can you tell me which is insoluble and which is soluble in the last step? As you all always post your answers in the comment box. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe and support. Thank you all.